Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, that is from here. So I will put number 1 go in here. So we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 4, so we put number 4 go in here. So the square root of number 4, that is about number 2. So number 1, we keep the same. Number 4, that is about number 2. The square root of s, that is about u. ds over the square root of s, that is about this one. Now, we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 2 go in here, number 1 go in here. So we calculate this one, and that is about number 4 over Fn number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.